2. Enjoy at the fair. Children, this is the second lesson in the course book. Now we will do the workbook part for this lesson. The first section here is understanding the text. The heading here is answer these questions. Here we have few questions. We have to read the question and write the answer for these questions. The first question here is, what does Daisy wear? Daisy wears a beautiful frock. This is the answer. What does Daisy wear? The answer for this question is, Daisy wears a beautiful frock. 2. Where does the car of Daisy's father stop? The answer for this is, the car of Daisy's father stopped in front of the gate. 3. Who bought tickets? The answer for this is, Daisy's mummy and papa bought tickets. 4. On which ride do mummy, papa cry but Daisy laughs? The answer for this is, papa, mummy cry on the dragon train but Daisy laughs. Fifth question is, what is Daisy licking? The answer for this is, Daisy was licking an ice cream. So these are the answers for the given questions. Children, you can write these answers in your workbook. The next section here is word search. Under word search, the first bit here is write sentences about your visit to the fair. Use words from the box. Children, here we have to write few sentences about the visit to the fair. And when writing, we can use these words for each sentence. What are the words given here? Ice cream, bottle, train, swings, fair, toys. So, with each word given here, we will make a sentence. First is ice cream. And the sentence is, I ate vanilla ice cream. 2. Bottle. We took a water bottle with us. So, using the word bottle, we make a sentence like this. We took a water bottle with us. 3. Train. The sentence form here is, we took a ride on dragon train. 4. Swings. The sentence form here is, my sister was on the swing for much of the time. 5. Fair. The sentence for this is, we went to the fair on Sunday. 6. Toys. The sentence form here is, we bought toys at the fair. So these are the sentences we form about the visit to the fair, and we use these words to form these sentences. You can also write your own sentences using these words. This is about the first bit in word search. Now we will move to the next bit. B. Write the rhyming words. Here we are given a few words. We have to write the rhyming words for these words in the given space. The words given here are Sunday, fair, gate, zoom, look, round. Now we will write the rhyming words for these words. First is Sunday. The rhyming word for this is Monday. 2. Fair. The rhyming word for this is pair. 3. Gate. The rhyming word for this is mate. 4. Zoom. The rhyming word for this is boom. 5. Look. The rhyming word for look is book. 6. Round. The rhyming word for this is ground. So these are the rhyming words. Let's read them once again. Sunday, Monday. Fair, pair. Gate, mate. Zoom, boom. Look, book. Round, ground. So remember, for rhyming words, the ending words are same, or the ending pronunciation is the same. These words are called rhyming words. This is about the B bit in write the rhyming words. Now we will move to the next bit. C. Circle the things that you can see at a fair. Also write their names. Here we are given some pictures. These pictures of some things. Here we have to circle the things that we see at a fair. And we also should write their names in the given space. So, can you tell me what are these? This is a ice cream. Can you see an ice cream in a fair? Yes. So we will circle the ice cream. Ice cream we see at a fair. So we are circling the ice cream. This is a frog. Yes, we see a frog in a fair. So we are circling the frog. This is a bag. Yes, we see a bag at a fair. So we will circle the bag. Next is a dog. No, dog does not appear at a fair. Gate. This is a gate. Yes, you can see the gate at the entrance of a fair. So we will circle the gate. This is a toy train. So we can see a toy train at a fair. So we will circle the toy train. This is a swing. Yes, we can see a swing at a fair. We are circling it. This is a bottle, water bottle. Yes, we see a water bottle at a fair, so we are circling it. Now we will write the answers for these pictures. First, here we have ice cream. Next, this is a frog. Third one, this is a bag. And next, we don't see a dog at a fair. We will move to the next one. Here, this is a gate. G-A-T-E, gate. This is a toy train. T-R-A-N, train. This is a swing. S-W-I-N-G, swing. This is a bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. And here I will read the spellings of these three words. Ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. Frog. F-R-O-C-K. Frog. B-A-G. Bag. So these are the things we find at a fair and we have circled them. And this is about the C bit in word search. Now we will move to the next bit. The next section, under word search is D-bit. Let's read what is given here. Which game do you like the most? Write 3 sentences about your favorite game. Here children, you have to write about the game which you like the most, and you should write about 3 sentences about your favorite game, and you can use these questions here to write about your favorite game. Let's read what are the questions here are. Hint means this is a help. You can take the help of these questions to write. How many persons can play this game? What do you need to play it? Where do you play it? With whom do you play it? So the game which you like the most, how many persons can play the game, and what do you need to play the game, and where do you play it, and with whom do you play it. So if you want to write about your favorite game, use these questions and write. For example, I will show you an example to write about your favorite game. You can write like this. I like to play badminton with my friends in the ground. We need shuttle bat and cock to play this game. 2 persons can play this game. So here the game is badminton. You can write about your favorite game. It might be any different game also. It can be cricket, football, volleyball, any game which you like. Write about that game about 3 sentences. You can take the help of these questions to write. This is about the D-bit in word search. Now we will move to the next bit. The next bit under word search is fill in the blanks. Here we have 5 sentences with blanks in each sentence. We have to write the correct word in these blanks to form a correct sentence. 1. Dash is the first day of the week. The answer is Sunday. Sunday is the first day of the week. 2. Wednesday comes after dash. The answer is Tuesday. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. 3. Dash comes between Thursday and Saturday. And the answer here is Friday. Friday comes between Thursday and Saturday. 4. Dash is the last day of the week. And the answer here is Saturday. Saturday is the last day of the week. 5. Dash comes before the Saturday. And the answer here is Friday. Friday comes before the Saturday. So these are the fill in the blanks in E-bit under word search. Now we will move to the next bit. The next section here is creative fun. What can you see in this scene? Write few sentences on the basis of your observations. Children, here you can see a picture. What do you see in this picture? Write what you see in this picture in a few sentences. I will show you how to write. The picture is of a fair. Yes, this picture is of a fair. There are many rides in the fair like dragon train, giant wheel, etc. Yes, there are many rides in the fair You can see there is a giant wheel and this is a dragon train. There is a balloon stall and a soft toys shop. Yes, this is a soft toy shop and here you can see balloons and this is a balloon stall. These are balloons and these are soft toys. There is also an ice cream shop. Yes, and here you can also see that there is an ice cream shop. We love going to a fair. Yes, we all like going to a fair because we have many rides like giant wheel, dragon train. We have many stalls like balloon stall, soft toy stall, and we can also see ice cream shops. So this is about the picture here given in your workbook. You can write taking the example like this. This is about the creative fun. The next section here is life skill. Children, you should follow these things when you visit a crowded place. So children, you should follow these things when you visit a crowded place. Crowded place means where the place where many people are there. So when you go into a group of many people, you should follow these things. What are these things? 1. Hold the hands of your parents. 2. You should follow the instructions of your parents. 3. You should take the easy swings. 4. You should never accept any eatables from the strangers. So children, you should follow these things when you go into a crowded place, means a place where many people are there. You should hold the hands of your parents. You should follow the instructions of your parents. You should take the easy swings. You should never accept any eatables from the strangers. So this is about the life skill section in the lesson Enjoy at the Fair.